Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to my channel Star Calligraphy. Today, in this video, we will learn how to write 10 lines essay on my school in English. First, find my school name is Ali Public School. Second, find it is an English medium school. Third, find my school is very close to my house. Fourth, find it is the best school in my city. Fifth line, my school building is very big and beautiful. Sixth line, there is a big library and a computer lab. Seventh line, my school has a very big playground. Eighth, find all the teachers in my school are very and caring. Ninth, find I learn new things every day in my school. 10th point, I love my school very much. Thank you.